I'm going to show you how to use the highlighter on your tablet on a Word document. So what you need to do is the word that you want to highlight, just double click on it, and you can see it's now been highlighted in blue. Use your highlighter on the top, so you've got B-I-U-A and then your highlighter. Click on that. Click on the colour you choose. I'm choosing yellow, and that word is highlighted. If you want to highlight more than one word, double click on the first or last word, and then you've got the blue lollipop sticks here. Click and drag on one of those. It's slightly more difficult, but click on, drag on that. You can go down, click on your highlighter, choose your colour. If you didn't like what you did, you can always go up your top left hand corner. You've got an undo button to press there, and that will remove anything that you've done.